At the Buff Bay fire station, the main problem that the station was experiencing was the perimeter fence. It was a vast open place. Now we have provided the funds and the station have been securely enclosed with an extensive wall that has provided coverage. As you notice, there's ongoing work that is presently taking place. And the purpose of that is that we provided some funds for the construction of a washroom to place a washer and a dryer so that when the firefighters use the bunker gear, this is where the bunker gear will be taken and washed and dry so that after that they can have it to use again. There are other issues here, the leaking of the roof and also the windows of the station that has been affected. And we're going to be providing some $20 million to commence emergency work to correct the problems of the leaking and to change the windows. I want to commend the brigade because they have been doing an excellent job. And despite the challenges that they have never failed to respond. And the Buff Bay station is a critical station in this part of Portland and in this part of the island. And I just want the men and women who work here to understand that we will be providing the funds to undertake the necessary repairs on the Bay Road.